Westwood High is represented this evening by Team Captain Tanae Johnson, Shawnell Brown, Cadecia Farron, and Allison Francis. While Dinthill Technical High is represented by Casey Grant, Jadianne James, Dante Norman, and Team Captain Amelia Perry. Hello everyone and welcome to the opening match in the semi-final series of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. In this semi-final series, teams will have to defeat their opponents twice to advance to the final round. It all comes down to this: high schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the action. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Westwood High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Westwood High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock, please. We have it, ladies, so we'll begin right away with information technology. In a binary tree, what is a node called if it is not a leaf and has children?
Mother.
Internal node, judges. Information technology for Dinthill Technical. Name the algorithmic technique which breaks a complex problem into smaller sub-problems and stores the solutions to the sub-problems.
Mining.
No, it's dynamic programming. Westwood High, International Affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Mojtaba Khamenei.
The new Ayatollah of Iran, correct. International Affairs for Dinthill Technical, your visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Masoud Pezeshkian.
President of Iran, correct. Literature, Westwood. Who is the author of the novel Madame Bovary?
All right, John Steinbeck.
No, it's Gustave Flaubert. Literature, Dinthill. Who wrote the play Waiting for Godot?
Samuel Beckett.
That's right. Jamaican Heritage, Westwood. In Jamaica's National Honours System, what are the 2 ranks of the Order of Distinction?
Commandant officer class. Commandant officer class.
That's right. Jamaican Heritage, Dinthill. In Jamaica's National Honours and Awards System, which award recognizes long and faithful service in a particular occupation?
Order of Merit.
No, it's the Badge of Honor. Music and audio question for Westwood. Listen to the following clip, ladies. Identify this classical piece.
Swan Lake.
No, it's the Wedding March. Felix Mendelssohn. Music for Dinthill. Listen to the following clip. Identify this classical piece.
The Messiah.
Handel, correct. French, Westwood High. What is the English translation for L'amour est dans l'air?
I read the book.
No, love is in the air. French, Dinthill. What is the English translation for L'amour n'échoue jamais?
All's fair in love and war.
No, love never fails. Theatre and cinema, a visual question for Westwood High. Look at the monitor. Identify this character from the 2026 Super Mario Galaxy movie.
Princess Maple. Princess Maple.
No, it's Rosalina. Theatre and cinema, Dinthill. Look at the monitor. Identify this character from the 2026 Super Mario Galaxy movie.
Luigi.
Yes, Westwood, Principles of Business. Which type of business organization is owned and operated by its members for their mutual benefit?
Joint stock.
No, it's a cooperative. Principles of Business, Dinthill. Which leadership style relies heavily on strict supervision and control?
Command.
Autocratic or authoritarian? Sport, a visual question for Westwood. Look at the monitor. Identify this person here.
All right. Indian. Sachin. All right. Sanju Samson.
Sanju Samson?
Sanju Samson.
No, it's Jay Shah, chairman of the International Cricket Council, ICC Sport. Dinthill, look at the monitor. Identify this person now.
WADA? Withold Banker.
That's correct. President of the World Anti-Doping Agency, WADA. Well done. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match. Westwood High on 2 points. Dinthill Technical taking the early lead on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge semi-final action in schools. Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.